stop here on red signal. It's 7:33. Now I know this captures really good dark light, but it's pitch black out. There's no way someone's working. We just had a 18-wheeler come by. There we go. And we're on our way to on our way.
But that was a speed trap set up for drone pilots. Here, come here and stop.
But look at this sunset. Ooh, there is a one-way.
Yeah.
Wow. I guess we got lucky that we didn't. Although you could have stopped right there. But we wouldn't have known it was green. We would have had to backtrack it. We are going to stay in the middle of nowhere tonight. Here comes another car. Now I think you get over to the left. See, it's freaky. We have to drive on the left-hand side of the road. And that guy probably doesn't even know that.
He's gonna have to sit there and wait.
Well, not that he's gonna have to sit there and wait, that he doesn't know why we were on the right-hand side of the road.
That's a bird.
Birds. Look at that sky. We're waiting to see if we get around the corner. If we can see the sunset, but I think we're too late.
Fighting a losing battle, I think.
It was the red light.
The red light stopped us.